It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. That looks beautiful, man.
You came into my life with no warning, like a flash of light.
And like black bowl. It's a bowl coffee. And also one ham and cheese. So the which one? Bali Kintamani and Achagayu. The tasting note is brown sugar, milk chocolate, tangerine, and hazelnut.
When you're not here, the sun don't shine. When you're not near, I don't feel like I do when you're with me. It felt like suddenly our souls collided, hearts entwined. When I decided to make you mine, I'm never going back. I know that's a fact, but how do I know if it's love that I'm speaking of? This is love if I'm making you breakfast. This is love if I feel myself coming down and you're not around. This is love if I think I've gone crazy. This is love if it seems I don't care at all. That your love hit me like a cannonball. I used to worry about my options, yeah, I used to think too much. I think too much, but with you I forget my worries. Behind me they can't touch me now. Yeah, that's
Hello. Nice to meet you.
This is lemon tea.
Thank you.
Might be more less or more strong.
how she makes you so happy. I'll listen patiently for you before I leave. My kind of party, no drinking, just conversations and thinking. I like the way that you're thinking, but I'm kinda shy. I don't look it. I saw the chance and I took it, but you're not looking back. Living in a hazy world, I just
With the big connection, people coming to inside.
With some ikura, pickled chayote, chopped herbs.